Hey guys, today let's learn how to see story views on Instagram after 48 hours. So this is actually possible as long as you do have people reacting on your post. So once you go in over on Instagram and you go in over your profile and then tap on your three lines corner on the top right, and then what I want you guys to do is to tap on your archive, of course, access your stories archive, and then proceed with tapping on your preferred stories that has been archived. And once you're already there, what I want you guys to do is to just tap on this activity section, and you should see the story viewers that has reacted on your story. Now, this is the only option that we could actually do, and also view as of the current latest update of Instagram is to view the people that has liked or interacted with our story and also has viewed it. You can't necessarily see all of the viewers, but it's the closest thing we could actually do and also view and see on who has viewed our story after 48 hours. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.